Hello traders, John at stockbookie.com. Today we're going to look at GoPro, G-P-R-O, GoPro. Let's get right into the charts and let's, first things first, I'm going to put a fib in there, connect this low to this high, and one more thing I see right off the bat, we're going to work in a little tighter area here. I'm going to connect these lows here as well. But right off the bat, I'm seeing that the equity is over all the MAs. This is a daily chart. It's all the MAs. We closed above this little pivot here. I do like that. Okay. We did go up. We're in a bullish stance. So that's good as well. We did fill the gap right here. So we do have resistance. So, and the one thing that I didn't really like that we closed below that gap. But again, we're still above this pivot, which is really big. All right. We have another gap right in here for more resistance. Gap fill right there. That's right around the 80 buck level. And ultimately, you're going to go right into here, which is around 85 bucks. If this one goes up, that's areas of resistance. That's where areas I would be thinking about taking short. And if you were long, you'd be thinking about selling your position. We're short-term traders at StockBookie. That's what we do. So again, we're in a strong stance. We're above the MAs. We have this trend line. We're into gap fill, and we're above this still. But again, we're looking at this too. This isn't something new. That's a bearish pattern. So we're a macro bull, micro bear. And this little reversal, maybe it's talking to us, not sure. And then it closed below the gap fill. So that catches my eyes on a little bit of volume. Let's get to the weekly. Weekly, same thing. But look at this. I mean, we're in more of a bearish stance. This is a weekly chart. So if this one goes sideways again, macro bear, micro bull. So if this one starts to go sideways, 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 then it could possibly go up. It's above the MA, so it's a little bit stronger. On this one, though, we're looking at that same area. So we're right here on gap fill. We hit the top here, fill the gap. Now, if we get above this, we're looking at this on a weekly basis. If we're getting above this line here and close, I think we'll go a little higher. Stick the fib in this one too. We have a good chance of it going higher. But again, it's retracing on a bigger time frame. Again, we have time all the way up into here to short this thing, or even better, up into this area. So right now it could move up, but like I said, if we're getting in a 75 or $83 level, you got to think about taking some off the table. We're not in the trade again. No position here for StockBookie. Let's look at the monthly. Monthly, same thing, just a big bear pattern. We're waiting for it to get up in the 72, 75 level. And we'll possibly take this short, maybe even 78. But we'll see. We'll see how the pattern sets up, and then we'll take the trade or we won't. So again, your areas of support, resistance, actually more resistance. Support would be right around 56. You have this gap right here. I think right around 50, 52. But honestly, let's see, there's a gap right there. Right around 50 bucks, and if we pivot this right here, that probably won't be a bad area for a short-term bounce. But we're going to see how we're going to see how the markets work out, see how this one plays. This area is not bad either. Right in there, 46. Let's see if we got then you got these little pivots down in here, and ultimately, not that it gets down here, but I'm just looking at both areas. Hey, if it gets back up to 85, we'll probably go short. If it gets back into 37, we'll go long. Yeah, 37, 35, that would be sweet. But again, we're a strong position until we get below the MAs, then I would rethink the long on this one. But again, we still have to confirm. We confirmed above them, so let's see if it can hold. On the weekly, we did not confirm above, or we did not confirm above this pivot as well. So anyways, sort of neutral. But my thoughts, if the markets sell, this one will sell. If the markets go up, it's going to help this one go up. So either way, you gotta look at the big picture as well when you're in these swing trades to see what your prediction's going to be, whether the markets are going to go down or up. But anyways, that's another conversation. And again, everybody, thanks for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. I hope I'm helping some traders out there. Thanks again, everybody. God bless. See you on the charts.